the 2006 Hyundai Tucson GL. Powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission, this vehicle gets up to 26 miles per gallon. This Hyundai features power steering, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.